Let me go and get out the car. I was just waiting on them to fight.
There go the nigga.
Roll the weed up. Here you go. I knew it wasn't gonna be long.
Beat down, Kake! Beat down! Ooh, shit, look at the window, goes! Beat down!
Damn! 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 She was too ready. Ain't over. Ain't over.
Y'all let him go now, man. Y'all got him now. Let him go, y'all. Y'all got him. Y'all got him good. Let him go, y'all. Damn. Please let her go, but y'all catch a charge. Man, y'all gonna get a fucking charge. Damn.
What you say? It's down to?
That's it. Now you good.
I was like, she tried to whoop bro.
Fuck you, dog! Yeah!
That girl with that striped shirt on hit hard.
She did that!
Damn.
She did have